Want an easy way to get rid of that unsightly mold and mildew on your outdoor deck, fencing, or furniture? And without scrubbing? You need Max Defender. Get rid of stains caused by mold, mildew, algae, and fungus. Easy to apply. Simply spray and walk away. No rinsing necessary. Works great on decks, patios, fencing, awnings, and more. Max Defender is biodegradable and has no harsh chemicals. Simply spray. No scrubbing, no power washing. Max Defender works on many of your outdoor surfaces, including brick, vinyl, stucco, concrete, and more. Max Defender features a time-release solution. It keeps cleaning long after the initial application. Check out these actual results. Max Defender works and keeps on working. Get Max Defender today. See for yourself how easy it is.